How to unlock trade ban from VAC banned on CS2 account. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can retrieve the trade ban from VAC banned on your CS2 account. So first things first, in this method, we will be interacting with one of their customer support. So all I have to do is open up Steam and then access your library. And from your games listed on your library, just simply access your CS2 game. And once you access it, just simply head straight into Steam support from one of your CS2 game. In here, all I have to do is to choose on this option here that says I'm having trouble with items, and then scroll all the way down from the bottom, and this is where you can coordinate with one of the Steam support. Simply click this, and in here you just need to make sure that you need or you have a screenshot about the ban that has happened into your CS2 account. And in here, you just need to explain what really happened on that specific matter. But unfortunately, Steam support does not have an exact time frame for you to be able to have a response from them. And that's it. That is how you unlock trade ban from VAC banned on CS2 account.